Good
Hello,
morning.
children.
Good morning, all of you.
अरे बैठने दो तो।
Good morning, children. You can hear me, right? Once raise your thumb, those who can hear me. Good. So let us start today's class. Children, all of you be ready with your notebook for today's date. See, children, we are in the topic of addition, right? How to add numbers by placing them under proper place values and all you know already. Let us take some numbers and let us add those numbers by arranging them in their proper place values. Let us take three numbers to add. It's 4621 plus 3121 plus 11 1151. Let us add these three numbers, but how to place them, how to arrange them? Here, we don't face any kind of big problem here, as we have 4-digit numbers for all the three numbers. Let us place them under proper place values. 4621 plus 3121 1115. If you look at these three numbers, they have been placed, the digits have been placed under their proper places, right? Let us start adding now. See, where is the ones place started? From here onwards. This is ones place, this is the tens place, this is the hundreds place, and this is the thousands place. While adding or subtracting or multiplying the numbers, we have to start always from the ones place onwards. Now let us add the numbers which are under the ones place. What are the numbers we can see under ones place? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is how much? It's 3, right? 1 plus 1 is 2. Again, one more if you add to it, you will get 3. Now let us add the numbers which are in the tens place. What are the numbers we can see in the tens place? Those are 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6, right? to how you have to add three numbers, children. First, start from the starting number onwards. Go to the other number. Here keyboard is not working. Sometimes it becomes problem. See how you have to add. First you have to take this number 2. Then how you have to add this number? You can go to the forward counting, like you people know how the procedure, right? First keep 2 in the mind, 2 fingers open. Next 2 after 2 fingers you open. All of you open your 2 fingers. 2 in the mind, 2 fingers open. 2 after 3, 4. Completed. Now 4 keep it in the mind. Next again 2 fingers open. 4 after 5, 6. Okay. Now here you have to write 6 under tens place. Coming to hundreds place, what we have? 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 6 keep it in the mind. 1 finger open. Okay. 1 finger open. 6 after 7. Now 7 keep it in the mind. Again 1 more finger open. 7 keep it in the mind. Again 1 more finger open. It's 7 after 8. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Now come to thousands place. What are the numbers you can see in the thousands place? Those are 4, 3 and 1. Here we have to add these 3 numbers. 4 keep it in the mind. 3 fingers open. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Now 7 keep it in the mind. 1 finger open. 7 after 8. Okay. It's 8. So after you add these 3 numbers, which consists of 4 digits for each number, if you add all those 3 numbers, what is the answer you are going to get? It's 8,863. Say all of you once again, what is the number here we got? Say all of you. It's 8,863. Once again. Tell me all of you. Danish, come on. Read the number. What is the number here we got? Read the number, all of you. Can you hear me, children? Raise your thumb. All of you could hear me, right? Okay, children. Once again, read the number. What is the answer here we got? It's 8,863. How much? It's 8,863. Now let us go to one more number, one more problem. Take down this. Children, I have made a little mistake here. How much it is? 2 plus 2 plus 5, children. In the tens place, once again look here. It's 2 plus 2 plus 5. 2 keep it in the mind. 2 fingers open. Once rub that. Whoever I have written, rub the number in the tens place. Look over it again. See, 2 keep it in the mind. 2 fingers open. 2 after 3, 4. Now again 4 keep it in the mind. 5 fingers open. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much it is? It's 9 here. So what is the number you got now? It's 8,893. Read the number, all of you, once again. It's 8,893. Let us go to next bit. Have you all copied this? Next one. See here, you have numbers 2124 plus 3140 plus one more 3-digit number only you have here, right? You have 3 numbers to add, but those are of 2 numbers are of 4 digits and one more number is of 3 digits only. Then how you have to place those numbers? See, you should not leave the ones place. Always ones place should be filled up with 1 digit. Okay, that means this is the ones place here in 214, right? And this 0 is there in the ones place. Here 4 is there in the ones place. Let us take down those numbers according to their place values. 2124. Next is how much? 3140. All the ones place numbers should be gathered under ones place only. See, 214 is there. 214 we started with hundreds place onwards, right? So let us place it from the hundreds place only. Okay, here like this way you have to write. Some of you may think like you should write in this form 3140, and like this way if you place these numbers, it is very wrong. It is not correct to place this 214 from under the thousands place onward. It is not correct to place it under thousands place. Actually it is a hundreds number, right? So you have to write that hundreds number, start from hundreds place only. Okay, children. Now let us add now. While adding numbers, you should start from which place onwards? Srikar?
4, 6, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 10
Yes.
keep 4 Rajal.
Who is that?
10 keep 4 Rajal.
Srikar?
14, 14.
Srikar, can you hear me? Srikar?
Yes, ma'am. 14
No. Yeah, while adding the numbers, from which place onwards you have to start?
4 plus 4. 8.
Asking you one thing. Srikar, you are busy in adding only. You are not at all listening to me what I am saying here. Srikar,
Ma'am.
so while adding numbers, from which place onwards you should start adding?
One's place.
Yes, one's place. Now mute yourself. Good. So let us start adding from the one's place onwards. Here, what are the numbers you have in the ones place? 4 plus 0 plus 4, right? If you add those numbers, start adding from 4 onwards. 4, keep it in the mind. 4 plus 0 is anyhow 4. I have already explained you in the previous class that whenever 0 is added to any number, the answer will be 4 itself, that same number itself again. Here, so 4 plus 0 is 4. So the answer is 4 here. Again, you add this number to the remained 4 here. 4, keep it in the mind. 4 fingers open. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So under ones place, you have to write 8. Coming to tens place, Vishnu, tell me the answer. What is the answer you have to write under tens place?
7.
It's 7. Correct. Mute Nana. Next, Kaushal. Kaushal, are you there? Kaushal, on your videos, all of you. Unmute your videos. All of you should unmute your videos. Rishank. Rishank, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is the answer in hundreds place? What is the answer in hundreds place? The digits you can see are 1 plus 1 plus 2, right? 1 plus 1 is 2. Again, 2 plus 2 is how much? It's 4. Coming to thousands place, what you have? 2 and 3. If you add 2 and 3, what is the answer? 2, keep it in the mind. Only 2 and 3 you can see under thousands place, right? For the other number you don't have any thousands number. So if you add 2 and 3, 2 keep it in the mind. 3 fingers open. 2 after 3, 4, 5. So you have to write 5 under thousands place. The answer is 5478. Take down the answer, all of you. Completed? Now let us go to one more kind of problem. Take down the question. Second bit. Find the sum of the following. Find the sum of the following. Sum means what, children? I have already explained you. The answer which you get after adding numbers is called sum, right? See, suppose I have taken two numbers, 2 and 5. I am adding these two numbers. What is the answer you will get here? It is 7. So the answer after you add two numbers is called what? Sum. So the sum of 2 and 5 is how much? 7. The sum of 2 and 5 is 7. The sum of 3 and 2 is how much? 3 and 2 is 5. The sum of 1 and 2 is 3. Like that. After you add any numbers, not only two numbers, you can add more than two numbers also. If I take suppose the sum of 3, 2, 1, I ask. The sum of 3, 2, 1 is how much? You have to add here these three numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So the sum of 3, 2, 1 is 6. Let us take one question which is in the word form. Okay. I am going to write a question in the word form. Let us convert that into figures and let us find out the sum for those. Here a question given as 5,000, 600. It is just like an expanded form, right? So let us convert this into its standard form and let us find out the sum. And see, and separates these two numbers here. One number is what? 5,600, two tens it seems. Means it is in the form of expanded form. And one more number is 2,000s, 300s, 4 tens, 6 1s. See here we have two numbers but they are given in the expanded word form. Okay, let us convert that. Let us write the standard form of these numbers. Let me take again. See, I'm starting here. The answer I'm going to start. Let me take this number first. What is this number here? 5,000s, 600s, 2 tens. How you have to write this in the word form? Sorry, number form. See, look at the first word. Look at the first word. What is here given? 5,000s. That means that we have to understand that this number is going to start from the thousands place onwards. A thousands number has how many digits? 4 digits. Right, children? A thousands number has 4 digits. So, what are those place values? What are the place values we are going to have here? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now let us write down how many thousands are there. Here is 5,000s. 5,000s. How many hundreds are there? 600s. 2 tens is how much? 20. Right, children? It's 20. 2 tens under ones place. No ones sorry. Yes, okay. No ones number is given here. So you are placing 0 under ones place. It is nothing but 20. Got it? So the standard form of this word form, what we got here? 5,620. Take down till here, children. I'll go to the next page, but you people can continue from there itself. So the standard form of this word form is what? 5,620. You people don't give gaps like how I have written. You have to write in this form 5,620. The standard form of this word form. Next, coming to next one. 2,000s, 3 hundreds, 4 tens, 6 ones is there. How we can write this? Again, it is started with thousands place onwards. That means that we can understand that we have 4 digits. Starts from 2 onwards. 2000s, 300s, 4 tens and 6 ones. So the number is 2346. 2346. Take down these two numbers, children. Let us find out the sum. It is not finished till here. Some more part is left over. Actually, the question is what? Here he is asking to find out the sum, right? Okay, let us find out the sum of these two numbers. Here we have extracted these two numbers here. Let us find out the sum of these two numbers now. Now let me go to next page. The sum of 5620 and 2346. 5620 and 2346 is how much? Let us add and find out the sum of those two numbers. Start adding from the ones place onwards. You all know, you all got to know perfectly what is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands places. No need of always mentioning, right? Now listen, start adding from the ones place onwards. 0 plus 6 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 6. Keep it in the mind. Open 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 2. 5. Keep it in the mind. Open 2 fingers. 5 after 6 and 7. So the answer is 7966. The sum of 5620 and 2346 is how much? It's 7966. Read the number, all of you. What is the answer you got? The sum you got? How much you got? What the sum you got there? 7966. Read that, all of you. 7966. Look at the number and read. Look at the number and read. It's 7966.